You know, this is my lock journey. It's personal, and I'm going to do what I want to do, however that looks. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling, and we're back with another video. So this is a lock update video, and we'll be doing these on a monthly basis because I want to keep you guys updated for the most part with my lock journey. Well, I basically want to talk about what my intentions are for my locks for the year 2023, things that I want to accomplish overall. So when it comes to my locks, I really want to focus mainly on the health of my hair. I want to focus on also length retention. I love how my locks are flourishing, and I love that they're healthy for the most part, but I feel like there's more that I can be doing as far as making sure that they are remaining healthy and they are thriving at its best. Some of those things would be making sure that I stay consistent with washing my hair when needed, and also keeping my hair moisturized, especially during the winter season because it's cooler out and you know your hair is not staying as moisturized as it could. When it comes to washing my hair, I go to the gym at least 5 days out of the week, and I don't feel like excuse me, I'm cleaning my scalp as much as I can. Now granted, I don't go like too long without washing my hair, and I also am aware that dirty, you know, hair is not bad as well when it comes to like growing your hair. But for me personally, I would like to be a little bit more routine with how often I wash my hair. So maybe try doing it once a week just to make sure that my scalp is staying as clean as possible, and that I kind of get my hair in a routine to where it's being washed and it's being, you know, moisturized, you know. So it's like, for example, every Sunday I look forward to Sundays because I know I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to do a nice moisturize to it, and you know, kind of prepare it for the upcoming week. I also want to focus on, you know, trying new styles. I don't know about you all, but last year Chloe Bailey really did inspire me with protective lock styles. I mean, whoever her hairstylist is, kudos to them, because they have her hair looking, her locks looking so nice with these different protective styles. And honestly, there was a few styles that I saw that I was like, oh, I definitely want to try that, because it's fun and you get to switch it up and you don't have to be bored, you know, with just wearing locks. And I think that I'm reaching that point in my lock journey where I want to be a little bit more spontaneous. I want to try new things just because of the fact where it's like, I already have this style, which are locks, and it's a commitment, of course, but I feel like if I want to switch it up and try different protective styles, then I have every right to do so. You know, this is my lock journey, it's personal, and I'm going to do what I want to do, however that looks. But I want to do that, try new styles. I'm also considering possibly, you know, changing my hair color when spring arrives. I'm not sure which route I want to go yet, but it all depends on the state of my hair. If I feel like, you know, my hair is in a great routine where I can maintain it and it remains healthy and moisturized, then I'll go the route of coloring my hair again during the spring. But so far, I'm loving how my locks are looking. I'm loving how they are just thriving on their own with me doing little to nothing to them. So I want to continue with that vibe. Also, I want to make sure that I learn more about my locks, because what I've gathered is that, and you could probably take away from this too, but you don't always know everything. And I'm going to come off and say it, I'm no lock expert. Remember, I'm only 2 years going on 9 months locked, and I'm still learning. And I feel like even if you're 10 years, you know, 15 or more, it's like you never know too much and you can always learn more. I want to get into the mentality of learning more, becoming more educated about my locks. You know, I call them locks because just out of habit, but I also do personally refer to them as dreadlocks, you know, and I know there's been a lot of discussions about, you know, oh, my locks are not, don't call my locks dreads because there's nothing dreadful about them, da, da, da. But I know there's a lot of history to it. So when I refer to my locks, I do refer to them as dreadlocks as well because I'm confident in that. But just overall being more educated about my locks and my journey, and learning more about the different styles of locks and even others' lock journeys, what their experiences has been, and so on, because aside from it just being about your hair, it's also about, you know, it's a spiritual journey as well. And I feel like I'm diving more into myself. I'm becoming more grounded as, you know, time goes on, and I just want to be more aware, you know, about what's going on. I'm coming up on 2 years and 9 months locked on the 4th. Hopefully by the time that I'm officially 3 years locked, I can give you all a even better update with, you know, the changes that I see in my locks as far as the regimens, that the natural hair care regimens that I would have been enforcing by then. This is a quick, short lock update. I don't have much to share, but I will say when it comes to the intentions of where I'm going with my locks this year, I really do want to focus on natural hair care, length retention, and trying new styles. So if you all have any lock intentions for 2023, comment them down below. Let me know what they are. If you're thinking about starting your lock journey, I have a few videos that will give you some helpful tips. I'll make sure to link them above. Thank you so much for watching this video, for always rocking with me, supporting me. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.